Welcome to JTEKT Electronics India Private Limited. Introducing JTEKT Electronics eKYT system, which can provide smarter, safer, and efficient safety training. Challenges that hinder effective training are resource wastage, increased errors and accidents, poor training management, unmeasured workforce skills, slow and costly onboarding, compliance and regulatory risks. Is it affordable to ignore them? JTEKT Electronics eKYT offers an advanced solution for smarter, safer and efficient workforce training. eKYT is a digital upgrade to traditional Kiken Yochi training, KYT, designed to boost hazard awareness and workplace safety through interactive, self-paced learning. Empowering workplace safety with an engaging digital experience. It's electronic, a digital transformation of traditional KYT. Efficient, ensuring streamlined safety training for better outcomes. Engaging, with interactive modules that boost participation. Edutaining, blending education and entertainment for effective learning. And most importantly, empowering, equipping employees with critical safety awareness. The JTEKT eKYT system offers several key benefits including simple workforce training, dual training modes, learning and basic, paperless and eco-friendly, user-friendly interface, efficient data management and data analytics, workplace safety and engagement, continuous improvement support. Features of eKYT are multilingual support, English, Hindi, Japanese and more, scenario-based learning, self-evaluation and tracking, various analysis for management review or decision-making, reminder mails, compatible with touch TVs, tablets and kiosks. Key objectives are identifying potential risks in everyday operations, predict the consequences of unsafe practices, improve awareness of surroundings and coworker safety, foster a proactive safety culture. eKYT provides separate user and admin views for efficient training management. Both can be logged in using a separate link. Users identifies risks and self-evaluates to promote structured, focused safety learning. Admins can manage users, create tests, assign tests, monitor performance and analyze training data. Users can choose between learning and basic modes. Learning mode provides guided training with instant feedback, showing correct answers. Ideal for building awareness and helping new employees learn safely. Basic mode is used for real-time assessment without hints or help. Evaluates hazard recognition skills and tracks performance scores. eKYT uses visual risk detection to help employees identify workplace hazards safely. Identified and missed risks are highlighted with colored icons, offering instant feedback and encouraging continuous learning.
KYT Learning Mode. As I dive into this test, I'm focused on understanding the instructions thoroughly. It's crucial to grasp every detail before I start. Now, the timer is ticking down, and I can feel the pressure building. This is where I need to identify potential risks in the image presented. I take a moment to analyze it carefully. What could go wrong? What should I be cautious about? This part is all about critical thinking and being aware of my surroundings. As I reach the halfway mark, I realize some of my initial assessments were off. I need to correct my approach. I delete the incorrect risks I identified earlier. It's all about refining my answers and ensuring I'm on the right track. With just a few seconds left, I submit my answer, feeling a mix of anticipation and relief. Now, it's time to check the results. This is where the real learning happens. Reviewing the correct answers helps me understand what I missed and reinforces my knowledge. Each mistake is a stepping stone to improvement, and I'm ready to take on the next challenge with newfound insights.
Data-driven safety culture. Move from intuition to intelligence, where every safety insight is backed by real data. Tracks each employee's hazard identification performance over specific tests and periods, and compares it with their section, department and overall organization for multi-level insights. Highlights performance below the expected benchmark example 80% line, helping target training efforts where needed. Gain detailed insights into specific hazards not identified by an employee during a test, enabling focused improvement in risk awareness. Also compares performance across section, department, and organization. eKYT's heat map uses color intensity, red for high attention, yellow and green for moderate focus, and blue for low or no attention. This visual tool highlights which hazard areas employees notice or overlook, enabling targeted safety training and significantly improving risk awareness and response. eKYT offers customizable analytics with graphs like age versus score, experience versus score, and demographic insights such as gender, grade, department, and section-wise employee distribution, helping tailor training and improve safety strategies. Using this page, admins can create tests by uploading images, marking hazards, abnormalities and risks, and setting up the difficulty levels. Using this page, admins can assign tests to the individual users. This page shows individual employee performance in KYT tests, including scores, departments, and time taken, enabling detailed analysis and tracking. The eKYT system streamlines admin tasks with user management for accurate records, test management to define hazards and improve response, and department management for organized company structure. eKYT sub-admin and reporting ensures better oversight and data-driven decisions. Sub-admin configuration, assign users to monitor KYT results. Analytics and reporting, use real-time data to improve training. Comprehensive reports, track performance and enhance safety. Start your safety journey with JTEKT Electronics eKYT today. JTEKT Electronics combines Japanese engineering excellence with competitive pricing. Our seamless installation ensures minimal downtime, while our reliable after-sales support keeps your operations running smoothly. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact JTEKT Electronics today.